This video is your quick guide on how to customize Hulu Live TV. Let's get started. Introduction. Hulu Live TV allows users to personalize the live TV guide for a tailored experience. You can manage your favorite channels and access them quickly. Step 1. Access the live TV guide. Open the Hulu app and go to the Live TV tab. The live guide will show current and upcoming programs on all available channels. Step 2. Set favorite channels. Navigate to the channel list in the Live TV guide. Select a channel and mark it as a favorite by pressing the heart icon. This adds the channel to your favorites section for quicker access. Step 3. Organize your channel lineup. In the Live TV guide, sort your channels by favorites or alphabetically. Rearrange channels so your preferred ones appear at the top. You can access and manage favorite channels under the Manage Favorites option in Settings. Step 4. Filter channels by category. Use filters to display channels based on categories like sports, news, entertainment, or kids. This helps narrow down your viewing options for specific types of content. Step 5. Customize notifications. Turn on notifications for your favorite shows or sports games. You can set reminders for when live broadcasts start to ensure you don't miss them. Final thoughts. Customizing the Hulu Live TV makes it easy to find and watch your preferred channels. It saves time by displaying only the content that matters most to you. I hope this video helped you further with customizing your Hulu Live TV. I thank you and see you in the next video.